Well, good morning. We are watching showers and thunderstorms working through central Texas this morning. Now, if you live west of I-35, things have dried out, but east of I-35, still some heavier rain moving through, including in Hill County. If you're traveling north out of Waco up through Hill as well as Ellis County, you also need to keep in mind what's happening in Dallas-Fort Worth. We do have a flash flood warning that is in place for the Dallas area here this morning, so likely some flooded roadways heading up there towards Dallas-Fort Worth. Here locally, we haven't had enough heavy rain to do that, though we could still see some ponding on the roadways, and the roads are still plenty wet. You can see a slow end, at least from the moderate to moderate rain that's moving through. The darker greens and yellows moving on the east side of McLennan County. Our photojournalist Doug Galler is approaching the Lorena area on I-35 and the 25 storm angler. I want to take his shot and show you something real quick. And you'll notice quickly, I can't really see what's going on back behind there, but what you'll see is on the left side of your screen, there's some darker clouds. On the right side, you're starting to see some brightening. That's the mid-levels starting to dry out, which brings it into those showers and thunderstorms. So as that comes over Lorena there, you are going to see rain come to an end. But look how wet the roads still are. That's what you need to watch out for this morning. Back to the radar, you'll see that activity again starting to clear out across the eastern portions of McLennan County. Waco, a slow end of the rain from west to east. Down into Bell County, you're dry now, but the road's still plenty wet. So again, please be careful. And those showers and thunderstorms now starting to shift more into our eastern counties of Brazos Valley. Some downpours in Bryan College Station. The heaviest rain starting to coalesce there around areas to the northeast of Franklin. Back also towards Centerville, Buffalo, the east side of Limestone County. That will continue moving east out of our area, and we will see drier air come in here for the second part of the day. Rain totals out this close to a ½ inch. Some heavier totals, in fact, up to 2 to 3 inch totals here in northern Mills County. That's where you had some flooding overnight. The rest of us, though, this is just a good farmer's rain moving through. 65 in Waco now, 64 in Tipple, 65 in Killeen, low 70s Bryan College Station. This activity, models have really struggled to nail down. In fact, this particular model didn't really get it right until overnight. Watch what happens here, though. That continues to move east. I do think because this system is so organized that on the backside of it, we're going to see sinking air. What that does is limit thunderstorm development. So while the models may have been more active yesterday, showing thunderstorms developing in the afternoon, I do not think that happens today. If it does, it'll be very isolated. We'll have to watch as we get into the evening. The jet starts to crank up a bit from the south, and that can occasionally get thunderstorms developing. We'll also monitor to see if anything over West Texas can come together and potentially bring us another round in the morning. And another similar setup. If we get storms in the morning tomorrow, the afternoon will be quiet. If we don't, we may see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Same setup Friday as well. As far as how much rain you can expect out of this system, let me show you the potential rainfall amounts here over the next 7 days. We'll see if that graphic can pop up. If it does not, we'll move on to the 10-day forecast. We want to give it about 2 seconds here. All right, we'll move on to 10. There it is. All right, 1 to 2 inches still possible here if we can get those thunderstorms to continue to move through. But as far as any widespread heavy rain totals, not so much. That 30% chance I put in for Wednesday, that's in the afternoon. If you're in our eastern counties, you're still dealing with the rain here this morning. It looks drier Sunday and Monday, and then next week could have another round of storms Tuesday and Wednesday.
Remodeling is a big deal right now to homeowners.